Welcome back to Florence, welcome back to Pitti. Let's do some more outfit checks. So I'm here with
Rosie. Lindsay.
Hey Rosie.
Hi.
Can we go through your outfit from top to bottom? Who are you wearing? What are you wearing?
Absolutely. So, starting off with the shirt, I'm wearing Mark Powell, London, which is his Spear Point shirt, which is a beautiful statement collar. Tie is a vintage late 60s, early 70s clip-on tie, which is quite a easy one just to pop on in the morning and take off when you finish the day. Suit is Burton, vintage from Wow Retro, in London. And it is late 70s, I believe. And it's just gorgeous, easy, good travel suit. Take it anywhere you want and comfortable all day round. And shoes they're just from Office, just in London. It was just a late pickup that I had to get before coming to Pitti, and they're great. They're a little Mary Jane style, double strap, and socks are just from Uniqlo. Yeah. Thank you so much for having me.
See you around.
Thank you. See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, I'm here with.
Nathan.
Is it your first Pitti?
Yeah, it is. First time in Pitti, first time in Florence. I love it.
So can we walk through your outfit from top to bottom? What are you wearing? Who are you wearing?
Well, I'm wearing full measure suit made in Paris by the brand Cotton Society. It's a 70s style suit with husband boots, so heel boots. I'm wearing a vintage tie. I got it from my grandfather. Really nice. French shot maker. I don't remember the name. It's 70s collar, 10 centimeter collar. And that's it. I'm really into 70s style. I love it.
Yeah, that's basically it. So thank you.
Well, thank you very much.
I'm here with.
Classic Nonchalance, otherwise known as Clea.
You're big on Instagram, right?
So it seems, people tell me.
Can we do a little outfit check? From top to bottom, who are you wearing? What are you wearing?
So my coat is a Chesterfield from Fratelli Cadico Giola, who are Italian tailors based in Paris. The suit is Maximilian Mogg, obviously, because he is a genius. The shirt is from proper cloth that was made to measure. The tie, unfortunately, it's from Savino and Sons, but it's discontinued. I can never find the store whenever I look online. The socks are from Mèche de Rouge. Obviously, I work for them. And the shoes are Belgian loafers from Mukvist.
Excellent. Thank you. Have a great Pitti.
Have a great Pitti yourself.
See you around. Thank you.
See you around.
All right, my outfit for today is a green beret I got from Thomas Farthing. The shirt is also Thomas Farthing with a club collar and some stripes. The suit is by Cathcart, made from moon tweed. I'm wearing a Ramplay pocket square I love very much. The shoes are Allen Edmonds Park Avenue in dark brown. I love those lasts. The tie I can't remember. And my beloved Harris tweed leather bag. So I'm here again with...
This is Jack.
You work for...
Gentleman's Gazette. So I was actually directly inspired by you for today's outfit. Very, very vintage. The overcoat is a 1940s wrap coat. So kind of like the original polo coat in that it closes with a belt.
Ah, nice.
It's got velvet hand warmer pockets, which are very nice. Genuinely really warm. Over the top, we've got a double-sided scarf from Stefano Cao. The suit is a 1950s Donegal tweed, genuine Donegal from Ireland. The waistcoat was a second pair of trousers that we turned into a waistcoat with my tailor Matt Gonzalez.
Love it.
The boots are Crockett & Jones Balmorals. The socks and the gloves are from Fort Belvedere, so Gentleman's Gazette, our things. So nice grey peccary with a cashmere lining. The tie is Temple and Asa from Tomorrow Never Dies. Like many people in the classic menswear scene, I'm a big James Bond fan. And then I've got a detachable collar from Darcy. Darcy Clothing.
Detachable collar, you heard it.
Exactly. Yeah, like I say, directly inspired by you, my friend.
I'm very flattered. Well, thank you. Have a great Pitti. See you around.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah. So, I am here with...
Michael Hellinger.
Good to see you, Michael.
And you. Good to see you again.
How many times have you been at Pitti now?
This is actually only my second time. First time was the summer of 23, so this is my first winter one. So yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. It's good for layering. Well, this is a classic World War II British Denison smock, as worn by airborne forces in the Second World War. I picked up this as reproduction, but it's great for sort of winter layering. A tweed suit by Regent Tailoring, which is a lovely shop in Salisbury, not far from where I live. Pocket handkerchief, I think, is from him as well. Old Brooks Brothers tie I got in a charity shop once. Scarf from Soho Scarves, I think. No, Peckham Rye, that is. Paraboot shoes. And this bag is the photographer Nick Clements did a book a few years ago full of his favourite stuff. It's like a Japanese mook, and it's just called Stuff, and an orange cover. And I bought it years ago, and I met him at the classic car boot sale some years ago, and he was selling a load of stuff. And I saw this, and I said, "Is that the bag from your book, on the front of the book?" And he said, "Yes." And he said, "Oh, how much are you selling it?" He said, "Yeah, 35 quid." So I bought it. So this is the cover star of a book. So I'm very pleased with it.
Awesome. Excellent pick. All right.
There you go.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Enjoy Pitti. We'll see you
Thank you very
around.
much. Yeah. Great. Thank you.
It's a wrap. That was day 2 of Pitti Uomo 109. For more Pitti content, follow my channel, look at the other Pitti videos I made. See you next time. Bye.